This is an emergency broadcast. This is an important alert regarding heat stroke and warning bill issued by the Bureau of Meteorology. Due to the extreme heat conditions, multiple reports have come in from several areas across rural Victoria of individuals experiencing heat stroke. Heat stroke is a life-threatening condition that can occur when the body overheats due to prolonged exposure to high temperatures. Symptoms may include severe headache, dizziness, confusion, nausea, rapid heartbeat, unconsciousness and some cases death. Elderly individuals, young children, and individuals with pre-existing medical conditions are particularly vulnerable. Now it is crucial to take immediate precautions to protect yourself and others from heat-related illnesses. Please follow instructions. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Avoid alcoholic and caffeinated beverages, as they can contribute to dehydration. Find and stay in shade during the rest of today. Wear appropriate clothing such as singlets, shorts, sandals or thongs which helps keep you cooler. Use fans or air conditioning to keep indoor temperatures comfortable. Limit physical activity. Check on vulnerable individuals such as keep elderly neighbors, young children and those with health conditions. Do not leave people or pets in cars as vehicles can overheat leading to a painful death. If you or someone else experiences symptoms of heat stroke, dial 000 for medical help. However, keep in mind that paramedics will be stretched during this time. Dangerous conditions will continue for today as temperatures are unlikely to change. Updates will be continued to be given over today via information on the Bureau's weather radio, TV channels, radio stations, mobile alerts and social media announcements through official accounts, and please be wary of false information spread via fake news sites. Stay calm, stay vigilant and stay safe.